How can I improve my fuel economy?
Did you know there are certain factors specific to trucks and SUVs that may have a noticeable impact on your vehicle's fuel economy? Let's talk about some things that can affect your fuel consumption and what you can do to improve your miles per gallon. First, you may not realize it, but a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicle may reduce your MPG whenever it switches out of two-wheel drive. Another factor you may not know about is that your vehicle's axle ratio can affect mileage, especially in trucks. A truck's hauling and towing capability is significantly influenced by the rear axle ratio. But there's a trade-off. While a higher axle ratio can improve capability, it can also reduce its on-road fuel economy due to an increase in the engine's RPMs, in turn using more fuel. Different engines can impact your vehicle's MPG, like the EcoBoost engine, which is designed to provide impressive performance, outstanding torque, and enhanced fuel efficiency. However, like with any gasoline engine, there are still a few things you should keep in mind. Driving the speed limit is one of the easiest things you can do to help improve your fuel economy, or keep it more consistent, as driving fast uses more gas and lowers gas mileage. Accelerating and braking affects it too. Focus on stopping and starting more gradually to help control your engine's speed. Use your cruise control on level roads when possible, as it can help save gas by controlling your speed so you're not pumping extra fuel into your engine. And plan ahead. Coast up to traffic lights that are red rather than speeding up only to have to brake hard. Make sure to keep enough space between you and the car in front so you can come to a slow, easy stop. And when it's safe to do so, change lanes when you see the car ahead of you waiting to turn. That way, you don't have to brake and then accelerate again. Finally, when possible, steer clear of routes that typically have heavy stop-and-go traffic and a lot of stoplights, since idling can burn a quarter to a half gallon of fuel per hour. Still with me? Then let's talk about a few more things that you can do to improve your fuel economy. Wind resistance and weight are a significant factor in your vehicle's MPG, so be aware that using anything that adds to it, like a toolbox or utility rack, can affect your mileage. And avoid carrying any unnecessary weight, which may also decrease your fuel efficiency. It's also important to know that upgrading to larger or rugged wheels and tires can increase weight and rolling resistance, affecting fuel economy. Limiting your use of the air conditioning, heated seats, defrosters, and other accessories when possible helps reduce engine load, in turn conserving power and fuel consumption, so be selective as to when to use them. And turn them off when you shut off your vehicle so they're not on automatically when you restart it. Of course, it's always important to keep up with your scheduled maintenance, so use the recommended grade of motor oil and make sure you're driving on properly inflated tires. And keep in mind, every vehicle has a break-in period, so fuel economy is best measured after you've driven those miles. To learn more about your vehicle's fuel economy, see the related videos in the Your Fuel Economy series. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.